I don't want us to be similar to other chambers where it is only one emperor who dictates all the instructions to the members of the body. And if you ask me if I'm satisfied with the leadership of the Senate, I'm not satisfied with the leadership of the Senate. So I'm open to supporting other candidates for Senate presidency.
Oo nga, yung Senado ngayon parang nagiging sarsuela eh. No, parang nawala yung pagka-independent ng Senado. Kasi alam naman natin, no, yung House of Representatives, di naman talaga independent yun. Pero yung Senado, makikitaan mo talaga ng pagiging independent. Pero sa kaso ngayon, parang hindi independent yung Senado eh. No, yung tinitira nila kapwa nila senador. No, ayaw lang tirahin yung napakalaking pangalan. Siguro may pinoprotektahan. Ano bang nangyayari? Meron ba silang pinagbabayaran ng utang na loob? No? Ang pangit ng Senado ngayon.